I've just pressed the recorder now. Yeah. So yeah, we find a deal, and that's not hard to do.
No.
We could do it anywhere in the southeast,
Hmm.
and we could use that formula we talked about last time we met. Right? They
Yep.
quickly underwrite all the deals. It's got to be 100 units or more, 10 million or more.
10 million or
Okay.
more.
Yes, we're not doing anything below that. They're
Okay.
not interested. Right. So, and I like that anyway because
I
it's
do too.
scalable. Yeah.
I like
Okay.
it. Yeah, because
Yes.
it's non-recourse.
Mm.
So that's on a side note. That's what one of the issues of the Chadwick Apartments in Kingsport, the 33. That's
Mm.
one of the issues with it. Well, the market value isn't enough to get a. I don't think we could syndicate that one. I think it's too small to syndicate.
Yeah.
Which I've ran some numbers on it, and we could do seller fin. If we did seller finance, we'll run through it here in a minute.
Yeah.
We'll run through that deal.
Yeah. But if we are doing smaller ones, we do want an acquisition fee, even
Yes,
though
sir.
it's a smaller one, because we want to be paid at closing,
And get our money.
and because we got to get rolling, haven't we, with our business, as it
Getting
were.
some
Yes.
capital down. So I put in. I mean, yeah, let's do that. Let's run through this. I've just been doing some rough ideas on this. On a seller finance on this 33 unit. Hopefully it doesn't mess up on me here. I'm on a dock. So I put together. So we've got the average rent right now is $530 or 525. I
Okay.
put our target average rent be about 950, which I think is that's
So the average right now is 525.
mm-hmm.
All right. Let's do our formula. So we're going to do 0.45 times 12 times 525. Okay.
Then divided by 0.087. 8.7 is our cap rate around here.
Yeah, it's 7.
Should be around 1,075,000.
How many units have we got?
33.
Yeah, 1,075,000.
344. Okay.
Yeah.
So here's my quick numbers. At per door value as is today, it's worth $32,000. If we went through and in 2 years' time we got the rents up to the average being 950, and let's just say we didn't really do anything structural to the building, just small stuff to get the rent to that point, our value now would be 58,000 a door, almost $60,000 a door. So then we'd be at 2 million. So then that's 400K a year in equity raise just on rent raise. So if we do so there's a bunch of equity to be put in there.
Yeah.
We can make
So we'd
money. I
make
mean,
about 900 profit, wouldn't we?
yeah,
900K. Yeah.
yeah, that's just in 2 years.
Yeah.
Uh, that was running at a refi because, like I said, we can't get a non-recourse on it because it's not worth 1.2 million, and obviously the bank it'd have to be worth more than that to even get 1.2 loan because I'm only loaning like 75% LTV.
Yeah.
So my thought was if we got the bank to do, and see, I've never this. You've done seller finance, correct?
Yeah.
So we've got or 1,075,000. Let's just say 1,075, or let's just say 1.1 million. Easy numbers.
Yeah.
At 1.1, or maybe I think I said 1.2 to incentivize him to be seller finance. Let's run 1.2. So if we got the bank, and let's say the market value is only 1,075,000, so now we've got to take 75% of that, and if my numbers are correct, that's 806,000.
Yeah.
So that could be would. So normally, does he carry the bigger mortgage or the smaller? I'm gonna call him
He's
mortgage.
gonna he's gonna take second, the seller.
So he'll
Yeah.
take second.
Yeah. If we get that's what I did with my Gallagher view, if you remember. I got bank
Yes,
first position and the seller carry second.
carry second. Okay.
Mm.
So all he would have to carry is like $270,000.
Right.
And then I put in. So I don't know. I pulled some numbers from our class from the book on what
Mm.
to estimate per door for rehab and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So
about
I put,
10.
yeah, CapEx. So I put, let's see here. I've got $1,000 a door for exterior stuff,
Mm.
and then I've got 750 a door for interior stuff.
How much interior?
$750 a door.
Oh, not too much. Okay.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. These are. The reason I'm asking you this is, are these figures too low or too high? Because the multifamily book, had them a little bit lower than this, but I think that we probably need to estimate, $1,000, probably 2 grand total per door.
I would say at least, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Because
thinking. Because
you got to paint the whole unit and you've got to
right,
fix things as well. So I would definitely think it's more than 750.
that's
2000 is sounds about right to me.
okay. So run around 2,000 a door. So
Yeah,
if we did 2,000 a door,
66,000.
66K.
Yeah.
That's actually about right I had here. So if we did that, and then we did our acquisition fee, 5%, be $50,000.
Mm.
So at that, we're at 6650, and then so for operating reserves, just operating capital, I put $30,000.
Okay.
That's what I thought that we would need. How is there a way that you figure that up, or
Yeah, I mean, we haven't really walked it, so it's hard to say. We want to see how much work really needs to be done, you know?
before you guesstimate that?
Yeah, right. Yeah, we don't need to guess. We can figure that out by looking and figuring that out. But 30 sounds a little bit on the low side,
Okay.
mm, to
Sounds a
me,
little on
my
the low.
feel. Yeah. Because
Good
if I
deal.
think about my Gallagher view is 24 units, I spent a flipping fortune on that thing.
Did you really?
Mm, yeah, I did. But I didn't know what I was doing. It was first
Right.
time round, you know?
First go around. See,
Yeah, yeah.
that's why I ask you these questions, because you
Yeah,
know the
right.
answer.
Yes, that's right. I
That
did all new appliances in all of them. And
oh,
and the tenants kept telling me, "Would you stop improving my unit? I don't want my unit improved." And because they knew the rents were going up, you see,
it's gonna have to be raised.
they didn't want that. Yeah, so
I
it's
get it
hard.
though. I see.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Gosh.
hard. So that's why you really want to choose units that are in a better area,
Yeah.
because then there's the higher expectation from the tenants. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These I don't. Only thing, I hate to have you come up here if they're not what we're after, to tour them with me. To go through and walk them. But because I don't know with the surrounding properties, I don't know if the area is good enough.
Well, you already told me they're not. It's not.
Yeah.
If you got that question mark in your mind, you wouldn't have that question in your mind if it wasn't valid, right?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So that's how I need to think of it.
It's not what we want, right? Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. We're gonna get stuck in the mud with them. We don't want that.
Yeah. Good
It's,
deal. So if I think, well, maybe not, probably should walk away.
yeah. Look for little holes in glass. They're bullet holes. No, I've literally seen that, you know?
Have you really?
Yeah.
God, it's not that bad down there. It's not that bad, but
Okay. Well,
it's,
you
and
know
like I
what?
said,
The
the,
police there, or if they tell you you want to talk to a couple of the tenants,
yeah,
say what it's like living, what's it like living here, and they'll tell you if the police are there every week or whatever.
yeah. That's the thing, because I don't, where I haven't had enough experience. I don't have any, experience on locations and stuff. So it worries me. The property itself doesn't worry me. The ones
Right.
we'd be buying, they don't worry me one bit. They're pretty nice. I mean, solid high C's,
Yeah.
B's,
Yeah.
solid.
Okay.
But it's the ones across the street
Right. Right.
that are probably low C's, middle
Yeah.
C's,
Yeah.
and you don't know. So I think I agree with you. Maybe instead of putting my energy and focus toward this little one that might do it, maybe I need to hunt more on the big ones.
I think
And
so. I
yeah,
think so. Let's
and
play
focus.
the big game.
Yeah,
Let's not be timid. We don't need
Tim.
to be timid. All right. Because
Yes.
you might end up with a ball and chain around your ankle to begin
Uh,
with.
yeah.
And
Yeah, I think you're exactly right. And another thing is, I think that our new partners will protect us from that. I don't think
they
they'll let us
will.
get into that. I mean,
Yeah, if we'd
that's
go with it. Now I'm gonna stop the recording.
okay.
6 minutes. So let's yeah. Which one was that? Let's see.
It's 22 million. I can't remember. It's 200.
Oh, it's Aspire portfolio.
Yes.
Oh yes, yes. And this is in Georgia. Yes, I've got it. So this,
Oh, before we get cut off, actually, if you want to, if you want to call me after this gets cut off, if that's okay with you.
sure, I'll
You
do
do it?
that.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
I'll
so
forward
see
you
the net operating income, the T12 here is 896, 890.
896.
And it says it's 7,500. Oh, there we go. We got the average there per unit.
Okay.
So it's 7,537.
753.
And what is the average? Do you want to Google the average cap rate for that market?
Yeah. Augusta, Georgia.
To the number of
Dang.
units.
Estimated cap rate for Augusta, Georgia's office market. Yeah, I'm not worried about office market. I need to know multifamily.
Yeah. The total units.
Multifamily. Dang. Okay. The
19.
average cap rate in Augusta, Georgia was 5.4%. Dang, that's low.
It says, isn't it?
That's
5.4%.
really low.
Okay. Times it by 100, so that's 245 units. Yeah.
Yep.
So I got that as 34 million. Oh, that's way over what they're asking.
So market values way over what they're asking.
Yeah.
So the NOI, was that for both properties or just both, or is that just one?
I added them all both up, but it might be, I might have to do it a little bit different here. So
Yeah,
I
this is
might have
good.
to do the underwriting on both of them, separately.
Market rent, combined unit, that's average square foot, capital expenditures.
Sometimes they make this really hard, don't they? Yeah.
Yeah, they do. And then you get ones like the Chadwick where everything's right there that you need,
Yeah.
Cash flow. All right, here we go. Here's a T12.
Per unit, T12 expenses.
Oh, wait. There's no way that the rent can be $7,000 per unit.
The net operating income. Remember, it's 45 times it, so that's the net for each unit.
7,500.
7537. Yeah.
Well, there's no way the rent's that high.
Let's divide that into 896. 896. 890 divided by 7537.
Something is not right.
119 units. So it is only 119 units that.
So this is for one.
So, okay, that's good.
Hang on. What's the
7537.
average market rent for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in Augusta, Georgia? Says $700 to $1,000 is the average rent.
It's coming out to 16.6 million for that 119 unit.
Okay.
They're asking 11, so it seems like a good price.
Yeah. When it, I must be missing something, Graham.
Yeah, I'm suspicious. So we need to find the average mix for these units and work on a figure. And we
Yeah.
can do that as our homework. Let's
Okay.
do that because there's something amiss here. If they could ask for more, they would ask for more, right?
Yeah, they would. And the fact that it's saying per unit NOI is $7,000,
Hmm.
unless I'm getting the definition of unit wrong, when they're saying unit, are they talking about the portfolio